Well, now that we got the headliner done, one of the things we need now is some sun visors. So let's figure out how to mount the original sun visors. All right, here's the game plan. So I got another set of M5 bolts. So what I'm going to do is represents the channel that's the headliner or storage box is made out of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually slide these in like so, jam a point down in there to lock it in place while I screw the nut on. And then I can hang the visors off of them. And then we'll figure out what to do for the center to clip them up. But that should work. Or pull through and, you know, and then this will end up on the how not to waste money like an idiot episode. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. Step one, take different screw. One, go over to here. Okay. Look at that. Now all we gotta do is figure out something for the center. So now what we need is the hanger. We need to do something that'll hang off of the bar so that we can hook the visor to it. Unfortunately, this won't work because we have carpeted panel in here, which is where that would need to screw, and we can't come to the other side because, well, that's the windshield. That's where the rubber of the windshield comes into. So we're gonna have to make some sort of, we're gonna have to fabricate up some sort of bracket. So we're gonna get a 3-inch piece. Okay, so let's drill a hole 1/2 inch in, bend it 1 inch, roll the other end. Actually, let's drill 2 holes, and we'll cut this in half. Yeah, what the heck? Let's try that. Great. Can't really tell. Just softened up the edges on the wire wheel, knocks any of the flashing off. And clean this up with some brake cleaner and we'll shoot it with a coat of paint. Alright. Wing that over. Everybody loves Loctite. We're gonna go right there. Correct. I just realized I am going to have a 8mm wrench. I should probably make sure this thing is gonna, oh, I gotta move the camera. And there we have a finished product. We have ourselves some visors. And the best part about having a sun visor is we can now block the sun out in style.